You ever meet someone in their 60s who looks 20 years younger, full of energy, glowing skin, sharp mind, and you think, what's their secret? And then you meet someone else, same age, who looks constantly tired, stiff and older than their years. It makes you wonder, what's really making the difference? Because it's not just genetics. It's the choices we make every single day. And here's the thing. Once you cross 60, those small mistakes you've been brushing off for years suddenly catch up. And most people don't even realize they're making them until it's too late. So if you're over 60, or you care about someone who is, stay with me, because today we're going to talk about the biggest health mistakes people make every day after 60. Some of these might surprise you, and I guarantee at least one of them you're probably doing without even realizing it. Let's start with something that sounds simple, but it's one of the biggest silent killers of energy and health: skipping movement. A lot of people think after 60, you should slow down, take it easy, rest more, and avoid strain. But that's exactly the opposite of what your body needs. See, the human body was designed to move. And when you stop moving, your muscles don't just rest, they weaken. Your joints don't just relax, they stiffen. Your metabolism doesn't just slow, it crashes. Every day you sit too long, your body starts adjusting to that lifestyle. It becomes your new normal. Before you know it, climbing stairs feels like climbing a mountain, and you start accepting tiredness as part of aging. But it's not aging, it's inactivity. Even 15 to 20 minutes of daily movement, walking, stretching, light strength training, can reverse years of stiffness. You don't have to run marathons or lift heavy weights, but your body needs to move to stay alive, not just exist. And here's a little truth no one tells you: the less you move, the older you feel. The more you move, the younger your body acts. Now, mistake number 2 is what I call the protein gap. As you age, your body naturally loses muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia. But most people over 60 eat less protein than they did before, thinking, I don't need that much food anymore. That's a big mistake, because protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's your body's repair tool. It helps maintain muscle, supports your immune system, heals tissues, and even keeps your metabolism active. When your body doesn't get enough, you lose muscle faster, you feel weaker, and everyday tasks become harder. You need more protein, not less, as you get older. Good sources like eggs, fish, lentils, yogurt, and lean meats help rebuild what age naturally takes away. And here's something else. Your body doesn't absorb protein as efficiently when you're older, so quality matters. Split it across your meals instead of eating it all at once. That steady supply helps maintain strength and stability, which keeps you independent longer. Now, the third mistake, and it's a sneaky one, is dehydration. You might not feel thirsty, but that doesn't mean you're hydrated. Our sense of thirst dulls with age, and dehydration is one of the most common reasons older adults feel dizzy, fatigued, or foggy-headed. Water plays a role in every single function of your body: digestion, brain performance, joint lubrication, and temperature control. When you're even mildly dehydrated, your body feels sluggish, your blood pressure fluctuates, and your skin and organs age faster. And no, coffee, tea, or soda doesn't count as water. I'm talking about actual clean water. If you're someone who struggles to drink enough, here's a trick. Keep a bottle by your side all day. Every time you check your phone or TV remote, take a sip. Make hydration a habit, not an afterthought. You'll notice clearer skin, better digestion, and more steady energy. Now let's talk about something a lot of people don't want to face: ignoring sleep quality. After 60, many people think it's normal to sleep less, to wake up several times at night, or to feel unrested in the morning. But poor sleep isn't just an inconvenience, it's a health hazard. It raises your risk of memory problems, weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. Your body does its major repair work while you sleep, rebuilding tissues, balancing hormones, clearing toxins from the brain. So when you don't sleep enough, your system literally can't heal. The biggest mistake here: going to bed with screens, heavy meals, or a racing mind. Sleep needs preparation just like exercise or diet. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Make a consistent bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime. And if you're waking up often, get checked for sleep apnea. It's common after 60 and often undiagnosed. Quality sleep is one of the strongest anti-aging secrets, yet most people ignore it completely. Here's another mistake that's emotional but deeply physical: isolation. Many people over 60 start spending more time alone, maybe because of retirement, family moving away, or simply losing friends over time. But loneliness doesn't just hurt emotionally, it damages your health. Studies show chronic loneliness increases inflammation, weakens the immune system, and even raises the risk of Alzheimer's and heart disease. Humans are social creatures. Connection isn't optional, it's medicine. Pick up the phone, join a local group, volunteer, talk to neighbors, connect online. Anything that keeps you interacting, laughing, and sharing stories. The energy of human connection keeps your brain young and your spirit alive. You don't have to be surrounded by people all the time, but you do need to feel connected. Now, another major mistake is the pill for everything mindset. Don't get me wrong, modern medicine saves lives. But too often, people start depending on pills instead of fixing the root causes. Got high blood pressure? Pop a pill. Feeling low energy? Another pill? Can't sleep? Take another. Before you know it, you're on 10 different medications, some fighting the side effects of others. The truth is, many of these conditions can be managed, even improved, through lifestyle, regular exercise, balanced diet, stress control, and hydration can do wonders. Talk to your doctor about reviewing your medications. See if all of them are still necessary, because over-medication is one of the biggest health traps after 60. And if you can heal through natural means first, why not give your body that chance? Now let's address another hidden danger: neglecting balance and flexibility. You might not think about it, but one small fall can change everything after 60. It's not just about bones breaking. It's about independence being lost. And yet most people never train for balance. They focus on cardio or strength but forget stability. Practicing simple balance exercises, standing on one foot, gentle yoga, Tai Chi can train your brain and muscles to respond faster and prevent falls. Stretching keeps your joints healthy, your posture upright, and your steps more confident. Balance isn't about looking graceful. It's about staying strong enough to live freely. Let's move to something many people completely overlook: ignoring mental fitness. Your brain needs workouts too. After 60, memory lapses can feel scary, but they're not inevitable. What your brain craves is stimulation. Learning something new, a language, an instrument, puzzles, or even technology creates new neural connections. It's like sending your brain to the gym, and just like physical muscles, mental ones grow when challenged. Don't spend your days just watching TV or scrolling. Engage your brain actively. Read, write, think, question, explore. The mind doesn't age, it just slows when it's unused. And staying mentally sharp keeps you emotionally resilient too. Now, here's a mistake people rarely talk about: underestimating stress. Many people think stress is only a young person's issue, jobs, bills, deadlines. But older adults experience deep, chronic stress too, from health worries, loneliness, or life changes. And that kind of silent stress eats away at your health. It raises inflammation, weakens your heart, and even accelerates aging at the cellular level. Managing stress isn't just about calming down. It's about actively creating peace, meditation, deep breathing, prayer, spending time in nature. These aren't luxuries, they're lifelines. When your mind finds calm, your body follows. You digest better, sleep deeper, and think clearer. Every peaceful thought you nurture adds years to your life. Here's another common mistake: ignoring posture. You might laugh, but posture can make or break your health after 60. Slouching restricts breathing, strains your back, and reduces circulation. Poor posture even affects digestion and mood. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. It's not vanity, it's vitality. It sends a message to your body that you're still strong, still alive, still moving forward. Let's not forget nutrition mistakes. So many people over 60 start eating less or skipping meals because of poor appetite, dental issues, or convenience. But eating starves your body of nutrients. You need vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants now more than ever. Focus on real food, colorful vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. And don't fear fats. Your brain and hormones need them. Avoid processed foods that drain your energy and inflame your system. Every bite is either healing you or hurting you. Choose wisely. Another mistake that often goes unnoticed: avoiding sunlight. A lot of older adults stay indoors too much, either out of habit or fear of the sun. But sunlight isn't just about warmth. It's your main source of vitamin D, essential for bone health, mood, and immunity. Just 15-20 minutes of morning sunlight a few times a week can make a massive difference. Of course, protect your skin, but don't hide from the sun completely. Nature designed us to thrive with it. Now let's talk about one that hits hard: neglecting regular check-ups. Many people stop seeing doctors regularly once they retire. They think, I feel fine, why go? But that's dangerous thinking. After 60, prevention is everything. Early detection saves lives. Blood pressure, cholesterol, bone density, blood sugar, and cancer screenings are crucial. Most health problems start quietly. The earlier you know, the more power you have to change the outcome. Don't wait for symptoms. Stay ahead. Another mistake is assuming it's too late to change. This one breaks my heart because I see it so often. People say, I'm already 65, 70, what's the point? The point is, your body never stops responding, whether you're 60 or 90. Positive changes still make a difference. Start eating better today, your cells respond. Start walking, your heart gets stronger. Start sleeping better, your mind clears up. It's never too late to rewrite your health story. The only limit is belief. Now, let's talk about sugar, the sneakiest aging accelerator. Many older adults develop a sweet tooth, often as comfort. But sugar fuels inflammation, weakens the immune system, damages blood vessels, and speeds up skin aging. You don't have to cut it out completely, but be aware of how much you consume in cereals, sauces, drinks, even healthy snacks. Choose natural sweetness from fruits, and your body will thank you. Another mistake is ignoring dental health. Your mouth is the gateway to your body. Poor oral hygiene can lead to bacteria entering the bloodstream, affecting your heart and even your brain. Flossing, brushing, and regular dental visits aren't cosmetic. They're critical to your health. A healthy mouth means a healthier body. And here's one more: giving up on joy. Yes, joy. Many people after 60 stop doing things that make them genuinely happy. They stop dancing, laughing loudly, traveling, or even dressing up. But joy is medicine. When you laugh, your body releases endorphins that boost immunity, improve heart health, and ease pain. When you do what makes you feel alive, you remind your body what it's living for. Life after 60 isn't about winding down. It's about refining. You've learned. You've lived, you've loved. Now it's time to care for the one thing that makes all of that possible: your health. Don't let daily mistakes steal your vitality. You can feel energetic, sharp, and strong again. You just have to make small choices every day that honor your body. So, if you're watching this and thinking, "I've already made most of these mistakes," don't worry. Awareness is the first step to transformation. Start with one change. Move more, drink more water, sleep better, reconnect with people, eat real food. One day at a time. Because the truth is, health isn't lost suddenly. It's built or broken in daily habits. And starting today, you have the power to build again. You've got one body, one life, and no matter what your age says, it's never too late to feel alive again. So don't let 60 be your finish line. Let it be your new starting point.